falling in love. The other night, I stood for half an hour between the night sky and the butterfly wings of sleep, trying to count how many times I've fallen in love with you. The streetlights filled our window while you slept, but all I could do was wander around the room, hands folded, the wind stirring the leaves on the pavement outside. For years I have looked beneath the rocks in the river, inspected the wrists of jazz drummers and the breath of blue roses for the full moon. I have unlaced the fog in the morning and swept the brushstrokes of dew on the ground to find the words for our love. And the candles at every step of our memory, lighted by the words we've spoken, they are becoming forest fires. In my hands are a dozen marbles. When I hold them up to you to show the colors of my love, the sound of their scattering on the floor tells me to try again, and I try again every time, finding you over and over in the corner of my eye, smiling like the day we first met. So I stayed awake that night, wondering how I might manage to hold all this love, when all along it lay quietly in the way our fingers touch when we watch movies. Your knees bent beneath the blanket, the hours drifting away like snow.